In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop WhatsApp from saving your photos or videos automatically to your gallery. You notice that some persons, whenever they send a message to them, maybe from their loved ones, and the moment they open that message on their WhatsApp to preview it, you discover that the photo or the video is automatically saved on their phone without them prompting that. They don't know that there's just a little thing they need to set on their WhatsApp in order to prevent that. And one issue about this is that before you know what is happening, such a person begin to complain of storage issues, that the phone storage is filled up and all of that. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to turn off some settings on your WhatsApp in order to stop your WhatsApp from automatically saving your photo or your images or your videos to your phone gallery. To do that, just head over to your WhatsApp. You can see exactly an instance from this. This is a message that was sent to me. If you click on it and preview it right now, if you go over to my phone gallery, you discover that this image has already been saved for me. You can see that without me having to kind of say save it on my phone gallery, but this has automatically done so. So for me to stop that, I just head over to the settings of my WhatsApp by tapping on these three dots by the right side. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, scroll down to where we have chats. You tap on it. Now this is the main thing that is causing this issue, this media visibility. It says that it shows newly downloaded media in your device gallery. And so once this is turned on, each time you open any image or video on your WhatsApp, that video or that image will automatically be saved on your phone gallery. And so you just simply need to turn it off, and by this you have actually stopped your WhatsApp from saving any video or image automatically to your phone gallery. And so this is just a simple way you can actually do that. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified of when I make other videos as this one for you in this particular channel. Thank you.